Get out. Get it. I think they're communicating with the one outside. So there's weird people in here.
That small one looks nice.
Depends.
How you doing, bro? Yeah, you too. You good? Hi. That's just quick.
That's
Like
just stay.
Yeah, like here. No, here you go. Scared. What's up, bro?
They're cute though. I love the big pigs. Yeah, exactly.
Drop your phone now.
So photogenic, that one.
Which one?
The black one.
Yeah. I'm a goat.
Seems a little on the feeding trail.
I'm a goat too.
Small though.
Mommy.
Oh no, shake your milk.
I'm a goat.
There's more on you. Hey.
I don't need to leave on that. Today you use it me something and it kind of me a floating.
They're cute.
Mm-hmm.
Not a care in the world.
No. They're adorable.
Taxes.
That one's like really, like, it looks like it has a nice sheen to it.
Which one?
The one right at the front.
The white one.
No, the
Oh, the
other
brown
one.
one.
The one right at the front. Yeah, it's nice
That one.
looking, yeah. Got nice colouring.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you. What, you talking about me? My family?
Let's go and look inside.
Yeah.
Biggie.
At least they're roasting this time, because last time we were here it was just constant piglets. Yeah.
The rabbits. It's cute, but it has spots on it. Yeah. Oh, so cute.
Hey. Hey. Scratchy, scratchy. Scratchy, scratchy. Oh, so cute. You like that, huh? That's so cute. Oh.
What's he doing? Loving the attention.
Oh, yeah. Definitely. Good boys.
He's so cute. Sing for me. Hello. Hello. Hi. It's like his nose is twerking.
Yeah.
It's cute. Yeah. Hey. That was pretty. It was just like a lopsided ear. I don't have lopsided ears, it's a lie.